hope you're well. Are you ready for some Fitness Pilates basics? We'll start lying down on the mat. Okay, just relax your shoulders, bring your chin slightly forward, and just breathe into the mat. I'd like you to tilt the pelvis, just forward and back. Oh, I'm so tempted just to close your eyes and just allow the music to surround you and then relax. And welcome to our Fitness Pilates Basic Series. So I'd like you to lie back on the mat, bring your chin slightly forward and begin by tilting the pelvis forward and back. So feel the lower back go down towards the mat, onto the floor, and then extend. And just ascertain how the lower back is feeling as you're tilting forward and back. And then hold the pelvis in the middle and hip hitch, so side to side. So you're actually keeping your coccyx down, but you're just moving the pelvis, just laterally in that little bit of a frontal plane, just to get everything moving around the lumbopelvic area. And then a tiny little circle, which feels really weird when you're doing it lying down. But again, just to get the muscles moving, the ligaments, the tendons, and then the other way. Just a little circle round. There we go. And then hold in the middle, neutral position. We're going to take a breath in, lift the ribs. Now as you breathe out, sliding the leg away on the mat, and then bringing the leg back in. So you're not holding too tight. Use a little bit of core stability there as the leg slides away. Keeping it easy, and then bring it back. Good, do it again. So in your own time, of course, just extend. Checking that the lower back is maintaining that position throughout this movement. Really slow and steady. A bit of a connection there. As we just slide away. Now let's bring both arms up and then go diagonally across the body. So with your right leg and your left arm, and then bring everything back in. The other side, just real slow. So this is the perfect workout to do either first thing in the morning or just before you go to bed. It's nice and relaxing. Just breathe out and then breathe in. And bring that arm back. And then we're just changing to the other side, keeping it easy. Okay, now allow your arms to come down by your side. If you're feeling any tension in your lower back, again, just tilt and move side to side. Just move your position a little bit. Now, holding the pelvis still, starting off with a breath in, lifting the ribs, keeping the hip bones there at the top of the pelvis, and allowing the knee to drop, but without letting the pelvis go with you. And then bringing the knee back into center. Relax the abdominal muscles, relax the core, and then re-tighten them so those muscles are holding the pelvis in place. As the knee drops from side to side, you can do it. Relax the shoulders, so you're not building any tension anywhere else, just this low level concentration here on the core. Again, by all means, let your eyes close and just relax. Okay, now I'd like to bring your arms into like a pec deck position as you allow the knee to open. Let's bring your arms out and just open across the chest and the other side. So this is perfect if you're recovering from an injury, if you're a beginner to Pilates. Just moving through some of the basic fundamental movements, getting you used to it. And then back. Okay, let's go to the other side. Just open across the chest. And then bring your arms down. Okay, just relax, allow your arms to float, well done. Now let's bring your legs into a table position. So now it depends on the shape of your lower back. you might feel more comfortable just allowing a little bit of pressure, pushing the back down, or you might have a gap between the floor and your back. Both is correct, just depends on your unique lower back shape and strength. So the goal here is, as we lower the leg down and tap the floor, the lower back remains in the same position, and you're strengthening the core to be able to support the weight of the legs, but without tension, out stress. So again, it's deep concentration, and then bring it in, and you probably feel a little bit of tightness there on the thighs, so relax whenever you need to. And again, the more you do the workout, the more we're building up. Just slowly tap down, and then bring it back, shoulders down and relaxed, and then bring it in. Good. I'm starting to feel this on my thighs, are you? Breathe out, tap down, and breathe in and return. One more. Now I'm going to add your arms. You can take a rest or very slowly come with me. So let's go diagonal opposites. You can put a breathing pattern to this. Exhale as the leg and your arm extend, and then inhale as everything comes through, and then back to the center. We'll do one more on each side, real slow. And bring it back. Again, the other way, just really slowly extend it. Now let's just bring your knees in. Again, if you've got some tension there on the thighs, let them go. Relax. Hold it. Now just a slight variation for that movement. We'll bring one knee into table position, and then the other side. Slowly lower down, and then lower down. Again, connection there through the core. The other side, lift one knee. The other side. Slowly lower, and lower down. Good again. So we're just lifting one. Here's two. Lower down to three. And lower down four. Here we go on the other side. Lift. And lift. Just really easy. One more down. Good. And then relax. Breathing. Let's bring the feet a little bit closer to your bottom. And let's do our shoulder bridge. Again, base position. Relax. You'll tilt the pelvis. Bring up your pubic bone, and again, allowing each vertebrae just to come off the mat one at a time. Not too high at this stage. Glutes, core connection, and then just roll it down. So again, just roll down and then roll through at the bottom. Let everything go. Again, so we tilt the pelvis. A little bit of a connection. We lift again without allowing the chest to come right up. We just relax bottom of the ribs and then release it down. So again, if your back is feeling particularly stiff, this is just a lovely exercise to promote mobility, strengthen the glutes, and just lifting. And we'll do some options there at the top. So each time you come up, you go a little bit higher, and then you release down. This will be your final one at the top, but we'll stay there. So roll up, hold. Now let's lift one heel. So just throwing in a bit of a balance challenge. Breathing normally. Check that the hips stay symmetrical, the pelvis is symmetrical. One more. And then release it down. And then just let that go. Let's do one more of those. Oh, I'm going to extend my back a little bit, change the position of the feet, and roll up again. So coming up, lifting up to the top and holding. Squeeze the glutes now. Lift one heel and release it. There we go. And then let's roll it down. Just again, making sure that you're not really tightening up the lower back. Just let it go and relax. Good, bring your knees in. See how that feels. If you need to do a bit of a stretch on the glute, just cross one leg in front and then a little bit of a light stretch and hold it. Just moving it side to side, get the hips to open. And then the other side, cross over, bring everything in, and then allow the knees to just move there from side to side. Okay, bring your knees in and let's roll up. Let's change position and let's move into some half roll backs. So back straight, again, round off the lower back, just drop the chin slightly forward, halfway back. So again, we're looking for control, coming up. And all the time you're kind of thinking, you're doing some self-analysis. Where do you feel tight? Where feels that you've got a little bit more strength? Maybe where do your imbalances, where can you feel your imbalances halfway? Okay, let's add some rotation. So we breathe out, we rotate back, and then come forwards. Good, left, just rotate. Good again, so halfway back. Together. So we'll go halfway through the middle, rolling back, chin forward, come up, and rotation right. Good, and then left. Good, and then let's just roll all the way down. Extend your legs, roll out. Good. Have a nice stretch. Okay, bring your knees into your chest. There we go. And then roll yourself up to seated position. And you could repeat that workout all over again. Just some basic Fitness Pilates exercises to get you going. Let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe. And of course, leave a comment if you'd like some more of these basic Fitness Pilates workouts. I'd be happy